And tonight, dozens of wildfires are raging across North and South Carolina. The fires fueled by gusty winds and dry conditions, forcing some to evacuate their homes. But luckily, so far, no injuries have been reported. CBS's Dave Malkoff has the latest on the fire's impact.
The images are striking. Homeowners in multiple counties watch as wind-fueled wildfires creep closer.
I've never experienced anything like that.
Right.
By land and by air, crews are working around the clock to keep the flames at bay. The Carolina forest near Myrtle Beach is getting the worst of it.
We have a pool in our yard, and this morning we came out and there is ashes on top of the water.
Two major wildfires there doubled in size overnight.
They keep popping up, these little things do, and you don't know if they're going to come into your house or the next neighbor's house. It just really scares me.
Emergency leaders are urging everyone to stay alert as windy conditions are set to strengthen.
Tonight, there's a statewide burn ban in South Carolina as the Myrtle Beach fire has burned through at least 1,600 acres, with less than a third of it being contained. Some of the others are not contained at all.